Okay, this video obviously is for IM1 students only. So guys, after grading the last homework quiz, I realized that, you know what, homework quiz number 1 I want to do a better job on. Some of you guys have been slacking off on me. So this is your second and last try at this. So this will be due officially tomorrow as soon as you walk into class. So here we go. I want you to try number 1 with me right now. Just go ahead and pause the video, please. Okay, hopefully you wrote it down and you tried the problem. Here's how it's solved. If I want to solve for x here, guys, working backwards, I want to get x equal, x by itself equal, right? So how do I do that? Well, couldn't we, for example, add 5 to both sides? Because 5 minus 5 is 0, and now that that minus 5 is gone, I have 4x equal to 17. Now, to get rid of that 4 timesing x there, all I have to do is divide by 4 both sides. Because 4 divided by 4 is 1, and I'm left with x equals 17/4, right? Well, let's go ahead and do it old school, but you can use your calculator if you wanted to. 17 divided by 4. 4 times 4 is 16. Carry the 1, or subtract, you get 1. My remainder is 1. So that remainder goes over your divisor. So my answer is 4 1/4. Okay? If you use your calculator and divide it, you would get 4.25. I will accept either answer. Pause the video again if you need to. Okay guys, try number 2 here, please, before I do it. Pause the video, write it down, give it a try. Okay, to get x by itself, I'm going to start by minusing 9 both sides. That gets rid of my positive 9 because 9 minus 9 is 0. X over 6 is left over. That equals 20 minus 9 is 11. Now, does everyone agree over here I have x over 6, and that really means x divided by 6. And how do I get rid of a divide? Is I multiply by 6. So notice how I'm multiplying both sides by 6. Because 6 divided by 6 is 1, that means x is left over equal to, and 11 times 6 is simply 66. Pause the video if you need to take notes. One more problem to practice with, guys. Pause the video, write it down. Okay, hopefully you gave it a nice shot. Here's the answer. Please take notes. Check your work. I'm going to add 12 to both sides. Why? Because 12 minus 12 is 0. I now have just x over 4 equal to. Now be careful with your negatives. Some of you need to use that calculator, okay? 12 minus 7 is 5. How do I get rid of this divide 4 right here? I'm going to multiply both sides by 4. Multiplying both sides by 4 on the left. 4 divided by 4 is 1. I'm just left with that right there, which is x equal to, and 5 times 4 is 20. Pause the video for notes if you need to. Sorry about the alarm there, guys. Okay, it's quiz time, guys. So what I want you to do is go ahead and pause the video. Copy down these 4 problems. Solve for x like we just did together in this video. Be careful with the negatives, and some of them won't work out nicely, so you will have decimals or fractions in your answer. Good luck, and I'll see you tomorrow in class.